This is a winter weather alert. You are watching 13 on your side.
Hello, I'm Kirk Montgomery. This is a 13 on your side weather alert. I'm here along with meteorologist Michael Behrens. Want to show you a live look across West Michigan. This is what it looks like right now in Holland, Grand Haven, Grand Rapids, and Muskegon. 9 counties under a blizzard warning and a winter weather warning issued for 4 other counties. With each passing hour, road conditions get more dangerous. Northbound I-196 in Allegan County at exit 30 closed, still because of a semi-crash that's just south of Saugatuck. Northbound US 131 at 135th Avenue, also in Allegan County, has reopened after another accident involving 2 semi-trucks. Bottom line, folks, stay home. Michael, we're just getting started, and really the wind factor really hasn't even kicked in yet.
Yeah, the winds that we have right now, double those as we head toward tomorrow, because the blizzard condition winds, those 35 plus consistent winds, they haven't even got here yet, Kirk, and when they do, it's going to make things even much more worse outside. Here's a view across some of the MDOT cameras right now where roads are already quite snow covered. 196 and 131 rather snow covered. The same in Plymouth. Fuller, you can see the snow blowing across the road, and Lane Avenue down to one set of double tracks there at this point, with snow continuing to cover the roadway. College and 196 also very snow covered at this hour. Most of the 31 corridor rather slippery and snow covered. Business Route 31 and 31 very snow covered. 96 also snow covered, and Sternberg has remained snow covered through most of the evening. The interchange there with M120 also looking quite covered in snow. The wind has in fact picked up some just in the past couple minutes in Grand Haven, where you can see the camera here bouncing around. This camera on the Holiday Inn, the roads there covered in snow, and you can see the reduction in visibility just from the winds that are blowing at this hour. Blizzard warnings in place from now all the way through 7 o'clock on Saturday evening. These will stay in place across the region, with winter storm warnings in place till 1 a.m. on Saturday for our eastern counties. The winds out there not quite to blizzard conditions yet, but visibility is already low. 3/4 of a mile in Grand Rapids, half mile in Muskegon, and 3/4 of a mile in Holland as well. We've been telling you this all night. Icy conditions, reduced visibility, and travel impacts all expected to remain very high across the region. The other concern, the Arctic air coming with this system. Temperatures already down into the teens across West Michigan, with feels like temperatures approaching sub-zero, holding on to a feels like of 1 in Holland at this hour. And as the winds continue to pick up, now gusting consistently 20 to 30 miles per hour, wind chills will keep falling as the temperatures tumble heading through tonight. Look at the wind gust forecast. We go from 20 to 30 to 30 to 40 by early Friday morning, then 40 to 50 plus as we head toward the midday Friday and into Friday afternoon. This will be some of the worst blizzard conditions as we head toward tomorrow, and some of the coldest as well. The 2 o'clock feels like temperature in the forecast for Grand Rapids is -14 for tomorrow afternoon. You're going to need many layers if you're going to be outside for any extended period of time. When it comes to the radar right now where the snow is falling, it is most of the region. There's a bit of a lull that's worked its way down towards some of our southern counties, and we're expecting this lull to move in as we head through this evening, but that will fill back in as we work our way toward tomorrow. Some heavy banding lake effect snow already developing. Look at Holland, 196 down toward South Haven. These bands of really thick snow coming through. This is going to drop visibility to near zero and certainly accumulate quite rapidly across the region. Hour by hour through tonight, that lull comes through, fills back in by sunrise tomorrow, and then lake effect enhanced snow bands continue throughout the day Friday and into Friday evening. These won't wrap up until we head toward Saturday, so get ready for additional snow accumulation. In fact, by tomorrow morning, on top of the 2 to 3 inches we've already had, another 3 to 6 will be possible. This will come with an additional foot along the lakeshore by Saturday morning. That continues to count up as we head towards Saturday evening, with as much as 20 plus inches to go, Kirk, before this system systems all said and done.
Yikes. Okay, thank you, sir. And you can keep up to date with West Michigan's changing weather in real time by downloading the 13 on Your Side weather app. You'll be able to see current conditions, the upcoming forecast, and radar. It's free to download in the App Store and Google Play. You can also text the word weather to 616-559-1310 to get a link to the latest forecast. We will keep tracking this winter storm, bring you updates on air again at 11 o'clock. Until then, we join regular programming already in progress.
This was a winter weather alert from 13 on Your Side.